Hi there, my name is Jordan, and today I'm in the kitchen with our co-founder and vice president of products and R&D, Sarah McLaughlin. We're going to give you a quick rundown on how to successfully create candy-coated ropes and clusters using Melt-to-Make Gummy Bases and Baby Nerds. The first step is sourcing your candy coating. We purchased Baby Nerds from Webstaurant store, but you can explore options from any bulk distributor. Keep in mind that Baby Nerds work best for this process due to their small size. Once you've gathered all your ingredients, it's time to dive in. First, let's prep the molds. Naturally, we got ours from our friends over at Boldmaker who offer a wide variety of different options. Once you have your molds, prepare your Melt-to-Make Gummy Base and deposit the mixture. While this process works seamlessly with all Melt-to-Make Gummy Bases, we found that our gelatin pectin blend delivers the ideal texture. If you have a depositor, we also suggest using one to make filling the molds easier and to ensure the gummies pop out smoothly once they're set. Normally, we also suggest pre-coating your molds with a release agent, but for this process, it's best to skip that step. In this case, pre-coating your molds with a release agent will actually prevent the candy coating from sticking to the gummies properly. After you've poured your gummies into the molds, let them rest until they're ready to be popped. Timing is key here. When the gummies are still tacky, the nerds will adhere perfectly, so you want to make sure to pop your gummies out as soon as possible. We've also found that sprinkling the baby nerds over your molds before popping out the gummies can make the removal process easier as well. With that said, if your gummies aren't quite sticky enough, you can lightly rub some water over the tops of the molds to help the stickiness. Once your gummies are popped, grab a bowl of baby nerds and roll the gummies around until they're fully coated. Then spread them out on trays and let them dry to the ideal water activity level. For best results, don't forget to check out our drying guide found in the resources section of our website. Thank you for watching, and if you'd like more details on this process, check out the blog on our website or reach out to us at support@melttomake.com. Your success is our success, and we're here to help with every step of the process.